Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert perfect circle in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab and then you need to go to Drawing. Now we need to go to New and here we need to go to Shape. We need to go to Shapes and we need to select here Oval. I click on this one shape and then I move cursor somewhere on this field. We need to press and hold Shift and then we will be able to draw a perfect circle here. So for example, I draw this circle and I will change maybe the fill of the circle, so I click here to do it and I click here on red. Then I will be able to change border color if I want, so I go to border color settings and I'm going to select here maybe green. Then I go to border weight and I will select here maybe 8 pixels. And now I go to border dash and you can select one from available styles. I will select this one style. And if you want to insert this circle, you need to go to Save and Close option and you need to click on it. After that, it will be successfully added to our document. So it is how it works. If I helped you to insert circle in Google Docs, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.